Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save a video to your save list on the youtube.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should select the video you would like to add to your list, but after that, you should tap on this three dots icon below the video and next to the title, and then click on the Save to Playlist button, which is the third option. After that, you should select a playlist, or if you don't have any, tap on the Create a New Playlist button, then type in the name, and then tap on the Create button. Here you can find it in the left side column of the screen, so tap on it. And here you can find the video added to this section. If you want to remove it, tap on this three dots icon again in the right side next to the title, and then click on the Remove from Playlist button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.